this one. I don't know. I always notice a couple things when I go to a house. I look right here and see if they have a surge protector. It's a little black box that goes on here. What it does is it protects mostly the circuit board inside from a power surge. If that goes out in a surge, you're looking at like $700 repair.
Yikes.
So when I don't see one, I always recommend it, because it's better to spend a couple $100 on a surge protector to not worry about $700 in freezing cold temperature, and diagnostic charge for us to come out and tell them, you could add a surge protector.
Yeah,
So,
especially on possibly an emergency rate on top
Right.
of it, depending when it happens.